Hello everyone, welcome to Codynamics. In this video, we are going to see how to use GPU computing or GPU rendering for your DaVinci Resolve. So I am using the free version. So actually, by my understanding, DaVinci Resolve by default will use GPU for your rendering. Whenever I disable my GPU from my laptop, I don't see DaVinci opening at all. So if you are using DaVinci, then it means you already have a GPU. So if you want to just confirm, you can open your task manager, and then if you go to this second panel, which is the performance, and go to your GPU 0 or 1, you should be able to see either NVIDIA or whatever graphics card you are using, either in your PC or in your laptop. So this is the GPU I am having, and you can see that the performance is very low for my NVIDIA GPU. Now, if you go to the DaVinci Resolve, click on Preferences, and if you choose the Memory and GPU panel, you should be able to see this tab. So first, uncheck these, and you can see that you will have two options. One will be CUDA if you have NVIDIA drivers. Otherwise, you might not see CUDA. There will be other options such as OpenCL. So if you choose OpenCL or CUDA, it will access certain kind of algorithm to do the rendering. If you have NVIDIA GPU, then CUDA is the most suitable, so choose CUDA. And among these, this Radeon graphics card is part of my processor, so it will not get used. It's called the integrated graphics card, and this NVIDIA is the dedicated graphics card. So this is what is going to be used while my video is going to get rendered. Now you can choose this, and then you can also put it to auto, so it will take the best one available in your PC. And then if you save, it will say the change will take effect from the next time the resolve is started. So click OK, and then close it, and then open the DaVinci Resolve again. Now you can go inside any project. I'm just opening this one, and you can go to the last tab, which is the render tab, and then give it some name. And I'm going to render it to YouTube level, so I'm choosing YouTube. And here in some videos they have mentioned you have to use H265 in order to use GPU computing, but even 264 works. I will show you that it is using GPU, so I'm going to keep with 264. It will be done faster in general. So if you don't want very high quality, then you can use 264. It is sufficient enough for YouTube. I do that all the time. Then you can click on add to render queue, and then just render all. And if you open your task manager, you can see when my video is getting rendered, it uses GPU. Now it is not using. If I, okay, let's go to this tab. Now if I press render all and then click render, you can see only when I give render, it is going to take my GPU, and once my rendering is over, the GPU usage is stopped. So this is the procedure to use GPU computing inside DaVinci Resolve. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any specific comments or questions, please drop it down in the comment box. And if you like the video, consider dropping a like, consider subscribing to the channel. I also post videos related to CFD. If you are interested in computer aided engineering, you can check out my channel. See you in another video. Until then, happy learning.